Solve the equation x squared minus 6x equals 0. So what's important? One, we need to solve it. That means we need to find x equals something. And the next bit is we've got this equation here. Now you might think about rearranging the equation, and that's a sensible idea. Unfortunately, because there's an x here and here, rearranging the equation is not going to help us yet. So I'm not entirely sure what to do yet. So I'm going to start off by factorising. Factorising means putting it into brackets. So here we are. What goes into both terms? Well, I've got x squared here, and x squared we know is x times x. And I've got minus 6x here. And of course, we already know that there is a multiplication sign there. So putting that into brackets, we know that x goes into both x squared and minus 6x. And x times x gives us x squared. So x times x gives us x squared. So we got that. And x times minus 6 gives us minus 6x. And that equals 0. Now we need to start thinking. What's 0 times 5? Well, 0 times 5 is 0. What's 0 times 7? 0 times 7 is 0. So 0 times any number will give us our answer of 0. Look here. We want an answer of 0. We want it to equal 0. So that means either this bit here or this bit here must equal 0. Because, of course, the brackets means times. So we're timesing this with that. So one or the other must equal 0. Well, what does that mean? That means that x, this bit here, must equal 0. Or x minus 6 equals 0. But I want to know what x equals. So here we are. This x equals 0. We're happy with that. This x doesn't equal a number yet. So what do I have to do? Well, we're going to solve the equation. Again, remember BIDMAS, brackets, indices, division or multiplication, addition or subtraction. And we start here and we move up. Well, we have an addition and subtraction. So it's x minus 6. We're going to plus 6 to both sides. That means we're left with x here. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0, so nothing there. And 0 plus 6 is 6. So x equals 6, or x equals 0. So we write that nice and neatly so an examiner can see it. And that means we have x equals 0 or 6.